Good morning, everyone. My name is Faisal, and welcome to my channel and welcome to the wonderful world of Thailand, Bangkok. Here, today I am going to go for an early morning walk. It seems a bit gloomy day, but man, I rather go out and then sleep here. So if my hair looks like weirdo, because I need a haircut, I'm gonna do it today, and meanwhile, hopefully, I'll find a SIM card. Because last night I tried and I failed because everything closed. The time I went was 9 something, so I did not get it. Every place I went is been closed. So today, I'm just gonna go for a morning walk. Plus, I see what I can find. So I'll take you guys with me. Let's go. Well, it's a rather chilly day, man. I wasn't expecting it's gonna be that cold. I was just thinking my own room was a bit cold, but look at this place. It's so beautiful. There is some temple going on all around. Wow. I hope people doesn't mind me make a video. So yeah, that's my hotel. This is where I spend my first night, and I'm just gonna go at the 7-Eleven to get myself a SIM card. I finally got a working SIM card, so at least I can find my way around the place. As per they said, I have 10 megabyte internet for 1 month. I don't know what that means, because usually they give you the size, how much usage you can use it. But at least having something is better than nothing, right? Well, I find out that most of the place I was going for the money exchange are still closed. They usually open after 10 o'clock. So waking up 8 o'clock was not the perfect time to do it. But the good thing is I had a 2 kilometer walk all around this place, and now I'm gonna go to the hotel, take a shower, spend some time peacefully, and then planning my next move. I do have to move out today around 12, so let's see how things goes. After a 40-minute walk, I'm back at my hotel. Now I'm just gonna take a breather, a shower, and then go back to my next step, what to do. So I asked the people who work here, and they said maybe around 9 o'clock, 20 minutes from now, the money exchange place will be open. So I need to go and exchange money before I move on, because I have to pay for the new hotel booking. So I'm going to spend 20 minutes of my time here, sitting here in the hall,